welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare easy and unique recipe sorrel and tomato chutney. I have sorrel, which you will get most of the Asian grocery stores. In Bengali this is known as Chukor. 6 large tomatoes which I cut into small pieces, 1 dried red chili, fennel seeds, mustard seeds. These 2 are optional, raisins and cashew nuts. For this preparation I am using white oil, but you can use mustard oil as well. So oil is now hot. I will add dried red chili, mustard seeds, fennel seeds. Stir it. So it's already sputtering. Now I am going to add tomatoes. It's been about 2 to 3 minutes. Tomatoes are now soft. I will add pinch of salt and turmeric powder. Add turmeric powder and salt. Stir it. As you can see, water is coming out, so you don't need to add water. So now I will add sorrel. See, the color of the tomatoes is orange, but when you add this sorrel, you will see really nice reddish color. Stir it and let it cook, and then cover the lid. If you don't want the sorrel whole, just mash it little bit. It's been about 5 minutes. Everything is cooked. Now I will add sugar, and you need lots of sugar, so without sugar chutney is incomplete. So add sugar. See the reddish color. Now I will also add raisins and cashew nuts. So my chutney is almost done, and you can see the red color. Okay, so let me taste the sweetness. I need more sugar. Sorrel is little bit of sour taste, so you need to add sugar as per your taste. Sorrel and tomato chutney is now done, so I will turn off the heat.